Tauseef, and today, well, it is our channel's first real life review. So, just want to show the key. Guess it. Pause the video and pin in the comments. I'm just going to reveal it. It's the Volkswagen Jetta. Now, this particular Jetta is a 2010 variant, and it's owned by me. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, ta-da-da. So, this is the engine bay of the vehicle. This is a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine and hydraulic struts, battery pack, and let's just. So, this car. Now, what can I say about this car? This car is extremely comfortable. No hard plastics, softer material over here, fridge over here, which is a very nice feature. These are lights at the top. Okay, driver side vanity mirror, passenger side vanity mirror, lockable glove box, decent sized, and steering adjustments, instrument cluster. Here it goes. Now the car could go up to the speed of 240 kilometers per hour. Well, that's very, very nice. You see this 6 gears including the reverse and climate controls. Very nice. Let's start the car. So the climate controls, the horn sounds very nice. The power window controls, one touch up down here. Not that side actually. So very nice. Take the key out of the car. Now let's head to the back seat of the car. So the back seats are the place where the royalty increases. You can just lay down, there is so much space. This seat is actually pushed all the way behind, and still I have absolutely tremendous space and scooped out seat backs on both sides. The passenger who is sitting in the mid seat should have a problem here, little problem, because there is the transmission tunnel going on through there. So Volkswagen is clever. They have put AC vents here and adjustable AC vents. Light over here, and this car is absolutely mind blowing. 8 airbags, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually 8 airbags there too. And this car is absolutely amazing. Let's head to the boot. Now the boot is absolutely tremendously huge. This boot is it's a 500 liter, and if someone is strapped inside the boot, he could pull it and the boot will open automatically. Best feature for kidnappings. Boot can also be opened from the key. Okay, it's actually not open. So this is the review of the car. Have you liked this car? Then like the video, subscribe my channel, and well, goodbye.